The first women to come to America were poor slaves that were treated and fed badly. When the white settlers took over the Plains Indian tribes, they imported women as sex slaves, child bearers, and companions. When women would marry, they gave up all their rights and possessions to the ownership of their husband. Women were expected to be at any service of their husband. They eventually tried to break this mold by not doing as much work or not doing work to their full potential. Masters just thought that they were lazy. Women also tried to break the mold by protesting or speaking about their view on women's rights. The war was a turning point for women because there was a much higher demand for them to work in their husbands' jobs while the men were off fighting during the war. During the Revolution, women formed patriotic groups, carried out anti-British actions, and wrote articles for independence. They were also very active in the campaign against the British Tea Act. They organized Daughters of Liberty groups, boycotting British goods, urging women to make their own clothes and buy only American-made things. As women became more and more educated, they began to speak about different social issues concerning women's rights. They were pulled out of the house and into industrial life. Women put in enormous work in the anti-slavery societies all over the country, gathering thousands of petitions to Congress. This helped the movement of women for their own equality and the movement against slavery. Although women were involved in social movements, they were still deprived of many rights. Women still had no right to vote, no right to her wages to a property, no rights in a divorce, no equal opportunity in employment, and no entrance into colleges. This caused many women to protest and turn against the government.